The euro versus US dollar is corrected lower in trading here today after yesterday's sharp run to the upside. Saw the pair break to new 2025 highs, highest level going back to 2021. That break to the upside set the old high as a level that traders need to defend on any sort of move to the downside if the buyers were to remain in firm control. And indeed they did in trading here today. I'll talk about that and more in this video, so let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart, the high price going back to July 1st came in at 1.188289. And as you can see in trading yesterday and the sharp move to the upside, the price broke above that low level, making new 2025 highs, making new highs going back to September 2021. And the momentum continued all the way up to near the 1.1883 level, where finally buyers took some profit and rotated to the downside. That's helped to start the move lower. You can see that bias shift off of the 5-minute chart, where the price first defended the 100-bar moving average, the rising 100-bar moving average, and then fell below that 100-bar moving average here and used that level as resistance here and here and here before moving to our low price in trading here today. So the story is all being told through here. Going back to our hourly chart, if we take a look at the price action, then move to the downside, also move down toward the old high going back to July 1st at 1.18289. As I wrote in my post yesterday, that support is now firming at that level, with buyers expected to defend that area on any dips. And indeed they did. They got within about 3 or 4 pips of that level before moving to the upside. Now what? Well, it doesn't necessarily mean that this level is going to hold forever. In fact, we could rotate to the downside from here and break below that level, but it increases this level's importance even more. If the price were to go below that level, then I expect lower prices as the buyers give up and gives them cause for cause. It would be confirmed with a move below the 1.1808 level, which happen to be these 3 highs right through here. If it breaks below that level, then we could see the price rotate all the way back down toward the 100-hour moving average. It would not be unusual for that to happen. Conversely, however, if the price is able to hold this level, and so far it has, the upside still remains the bias of choice for this currency pair. The buyers are still in control. The sellers are not winning. Where can we go? Taking a look at the daily chart of this currency pair, the high prices right through here both came in at 1.1909. That's this high right here. That's this high right here. This goes back to 2021. If we move up to that level and break above that level, that would be more bullish. If we move up to that level and find willing sellers, then the battle is on between the old highs right through here, between 1.182829 and 1.1909. That's what you can look forward to as a trader going forward. So buyers in control. We'll see if they can keep that control going in trading here today. You know the levels. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.